the heart of the kingdom of Orison, surrounded by sprawling savannas and ancient baobab trees, stands the grand palace of King Adioi. King Adioi is tall and regal, with a dignified beard and piercing eyes that reflect wisdom. He is often dressed in royal border with gold embroidery and a crown with intricate adornments. He is charismatic, secretive, and torn between love and duty. He is the ruler of Orison, husband to Queen Adoni, and father to 17-year-old Prince Olowo.
Orison celebrates as King Adioi returns with his new wife, Mario. Queen Adoni reluctantly welcomes her, and whispers spread among the market women as they debate whether two queens can coexist peacefully. Mario's bold personality clashes with Adoni's quiet grace. She often sits under a mango tree with palace servants. Mario's entrance was a grand parade into Orison, her vibrant encore catching the sun. Mario's ambition becomes evident as she demands a larger role in palace affairs. Often sitting confidently next to the king, her laughter filling the room, overshadowing Adoni. She charms the court with her wit, leaving Adoni feeling sidelined. Prince Olowo observes the brewing tension and grows wary. Adoni retreats quietly, praying at the shrine of their ancestors, her face heavy with worry. Chief Balogun, the king's advisor, confronts King Adioi about a hidden matter, the king's mysterious illness, as the king coughs blood into a cloth. The two queens are unaware of the truth, vying for the king's attention, oblivious to his deteriorating health. The king announces a contest, his voice frail. The queen who bests out the kingdom within a month will receive a special reward. Maria sees it as an opportunity to cement her influence, while Adoni hopes it will mend the rift in the palace. Maria plans a grand feast, while Adoni chooses a community health drive. Maria sabotages Adoni's efforts, causing chaos at the health drive. The king collapses during a court session, revealing his illness to all.